Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something from Taiwan. I can't remember where I got this. I'm 99.9999999999999% I got it in Canada. This is Wei Lih Sichuan spicy vegan dip noodle. Thanks to Kyle over at Mom's Drying Noodle for the translation. I super appreciate it, bro. But yeah, I was like, dip noodle? He's like, yeah, it's like dipping. I'm like, okay. Dippity doo, let's do it. So we have a bowl. It's a short bowl too, that's kind of weird. And we've got our noodle block and our powder base. It's vegan. I really wanted to put beef in this because, I don't know, the Taiwanese bring beef to a whole new level, but I'm gonna be nice. I have to be nice because at this point, if I wanted beef, that would be a pain. I'd have to sit right here now and thaw it out and do all this stuff. And it looks like we have tofu in there. So there's that. And then we've got a goo. Remember, need your sachets of goo. And they will love you. You want love from your goo. You don't want you don't want your goo to put up a fight. You want it just to be all hands on deck and happy as a clam. Yeah. So all hell. Been an interesting day thus far. Had to go see my doctor. That was wonderful. Good guy. Just like these noodles, he's from Taiwan. And he's a cool dude. He's going to be at a different location, working for a different, I guess you would call it a medical cooperative or something. So that's pretty cool. It's not far from here. I'm going to follow him. But he was pretty stoked on my continuation of health and, I guess, health and wellness. Alright. And a lid. And let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Because it's just safer that way. Anyways, yeah, I did that. But my appointment was at 7:20 a.m. I live in Kenmore. The medical clinic I've been going to is in Lake Forest Park. So there's no like direct route. You got to take the Burt Gilman Trail. So you go down the main drag, go down a steep hill, and then hop on this trail, which has no lights. Well, I've got a pair of these I've got an Urban 500 and an Urban 1000. They call the brand is Light in Motion, but freaking bright. First time I got to actually use them we left at what, 6:30 a.m. Got there, my appointment was at 7:20. Got there at like 7:15, so that was cool. Got my flu shot, got blood work. And yeah, but I mean, on the trail, it's pitch black. There's no lights or nothing except for mine and other. A lot of people ride bikes, a lot of joggers. There were like two lights coming at me, and I was like, whoa, what's this? It looks like a car. Two joggers with headlamps. Just like, okay. And there was about, I would say almost an entire minute where there was like a bunny rabbit running in front of us, like looking terrified. But the lights on the stroller are like uber bright. It was rad. Plus we had this little toy that's a Halloween thing that had a strobe light. So I set the strobe at like garbage man speed, and I brought that too. It's always good to be seen. So, but it went good. Got the official weight, all that. I did that last Friday, and actually, compared to last Friday, I got my vitals done like at closer to 6 in the evening, and today it was like 7:30 in the morning. So the amount of up and down with weight and stuff is huge. I was actually up, but only like a pound. And that day that I did it, that was the one year, I like drank so much caffeine and tried to dehydrate myself and get rid of any water weight that I had. I wanted to go in there like a slice of paper. So yeah, I'm not worried about that. But yeah, that was cool. And so Mimi was super good, super awesome. So we went to the store, and she saw this. I was like, do you want this? She's like, yeah! Princess kibble! And she eats it! But she doesn't like the marshmallows. She like took one and went, ugh! Yeah. He said no. And there was it has the blondie on one side and the brunette on the other, and the display has each side shown, and she wanted the brunette one. I was like, right on. And yeah, so she's got her own Frozen 2 Princess Kibble. So that's pretty cool. And she allowed me to pick for her snack today Funyuns, because they put the fun in onions. And yeah, she likes them. So 2 new foods for Mimi. Yay! Alright. So there we are. That's empty. This is looking frisky. Wow. I don't know what we're dipping in there. Let's give this a try. So one thing about this brand and their noodles, it always seems like their noodles are just like stark and they don't want to suck up a lot of broth. Very soft. I like the gauge. Do this broth a reasonably good hit. Oh, let's try this. This looks like tofu. Yeah, it's tofu. Not bad. I like this broth. That's a winner, and it's vegan. I'm impressed. Oh, I didn't get Rotato already. Crap. Alright. Wish me luck. Hold on, Mimi. There. Hold on, Mimi. I can't hear you, Mimi. What's going on? What's up? Are you hungry? Do you need something? What's up? Are you out of Funyuns? Are they all gone? Did you eat your princess kibble? Mimi, did you finish your princess kibble? No? Do you want a drink?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys are going to have to hang on a second because my little girl needs a beverage. Right? Okay, can you sing a loud song?
Oh.
Can you sing the Mimi song really, really loud? No?
No.
Okay. I think everybody would love to hear that. You'd be famous. You'd be an internet superstar. The drink song? All right. Ready, set, go. Sing your drink song really loud. The drink song. You're resisting?
No. No, Papa.
Your beverage is here. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, cutie pie. All right, so Mimi's had her beverage facilitation done up, and here we are. So let's dump this in a bowl. Let's put this in the fridge. We go through a ton of this stuff. They're really picky eaters, and it's full of protein, so we figure, yeah, I could totally eat this. This is like the level of Sichuan pepper I like, and it's nice and tasty. I'm impressed. And it's vegan. I mean, I have no problem like scarfing down some dead animal. That's not an issue, but it's kind of... I kind of like seeing vegan products that I find to be quite good. Anyways, let's add some stuff here. I did not take out rotato. I hope that's not going to be a problem today. I will for the next episode, I think. I might. We might do a rotato this couple episodes today. And the mung beans, or the tofu puff is still good. So yeah, the included tofu, not bad at all. Squishy? Mimi's complaining about some level of squishiness I'm not privy to. Yeah. Oh, you can't even see this, can you? Nope, it's hiding from you. There you go. Here's some seeds. And yeah, I think that's what we're going to end up with for today on this one. I don't have Rotato all set up, obviously, so it's not going to rotate. Just pretend. Yeah. So, cool. Thanks for joining me. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.